Hi, I'm Christine.
And I'm Sandy.
Welcome to Heart Healthy Cooking with WellSpan.
You know what? Memorial Day is right around the corner, and I'm so excited because cookouts are coming.
The unofficial start to summer.
I know. Is there anything special that you like to make?
I like a good salad. What do you like?
You know, I like anything that I can just sort of like dip and scoop.
You're in luck. And you know what? Because it's Memorial Day, let's do something red, white, and blue.
That sounds awesome. What do we have today?
Patriotic. We have a blueberry, strawberry, and jicama salsa.
Jicama? That sounds interesting. I'm excited to even find out about that.
And you know what the best part is? It's super easy.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
We have some fresh blueberries.
Blueberries, we know, are very important. They're the #1 antioxidant fruit in the world, and they're really good for you.
You know what? And as we're getting to the end of spring, they are fresh locally, right?
They are, yeah. And a blueberry bush can produce about 6,000 blueberries a year. Amazing.
That is so cool. We also have strawberries, which are also perfect locally this time of year.
Strawberries are one of the very first fruits to ripen in the spring, but they only harvest for about 3 weeks. So you kind of have to get them, otherwise they're gone very quickly.
I just love your facts. Do you know what jicama is, Sandy?
I do not. You want to tell me about it?
Jicama is like a turnip. It's starchy, almost like a potato. So you know what we're getting in the salsa recipe? A veggie serving.
That's pretty cool.
I
know
love
that jicama, usually one jicama can weigh up to 50 pounds, which is just, when you think about that, that's really big. Biggest thing you want to make sure is that you're only eating the root, okay, with that particular vegetable.
Right.
So let's go ahead and mix it up. We can see that we've got our red, white, and blue going on right here already.
Beautiful. And then we got some onion
Red
to make
onion
it a salsa.
really brings a lot of flavor into it.
And let's spice up the sweet a little bit with some jalapeno. What do you think?
That sounds awesome.
And the nice thing about that is it will give a little heat to the sweetness of the salsa, and you can go as heavy or light as you want.
It smells really good. I can really pick up those flavors as they're starting to meld together.
And then how about some cilantro?
Fresh cilantro. It's one of the best things for a good flavorful type of salad if you're going or
This is
salsa.
beautiful colors.
It does.
And then we're just
Feels like
going
we need a little bit of liquid or something.
Yeah, we're going to blend it all together with the juice of 1 lime.
All right.
All right.
Lime juice is very healthy. Here we go.
So like I said, super easy for your summer Memorial Day get-together. And I think I see our friend Stacy. Should we have her come on out and give it a try?
You're just going to mix this up a little bit. Make sure that you get that lime juice and everything really well blended.
For her.
Excellent. Okay.
Here today, guys, we have a Memorial Day red, white, and blue salsa. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
Dip her in. Oh, that looks good. I can smell it. It looks really delicious.
Very patriotic.
It is.
Perfect.
What do you think?
Excellent.
I always do that when you have your mouth full.
I know, you
Therefore, it's
always.
kind of like when you're at a restaurant and they can't say anything.
Every
They come ask you.
All right. Well, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.